Okay, so again, we're talking about CER when solving story problems. Yesterday was claim, where we wrote the answer sentence. Today, we just took notes on evidence. Evidence being solving the problem using math. It's where you show your work. So we have the example of 5 apples plus 5 pears equals 10 fruits. So again, we're seeing the work that you're actually doing. And this would be your evidence on why this is the answer. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up when yours looks like mine. So the next piece we're going to go to is we're going to start talking about reason. Reason is the one that you guys like to skip. When we talk about reason, so remember we have reason written at the very bottom here. You guys like to skip reason because this is where you have to pull out the information. So the reason is the explanation. No, not right. I just told you not why I'm teaching. Is correct. Sorry, guys. This is the definition. Then go close your eyes. So the explanation on why the math problem is correct. So here, this is where you write or underline the information needed to solve the math problem. And this could be data. This could be keywords. Nope. Seriously, I have to spray it because I didn't catch the wolf spider yesterday. There was another one this morning. Okay. You can sit right here in this comfy one. Okay. So we're really talking about data or keywords. And when we talk keywords, we're talking about words that tell what operation. So we may have written down 5 apples all together five pears. Maybe we know that it happened on a Tuesday. Yeah, go ahead. Now I know this one's a lot, guys. Go ahead. Okay, So go ahead. We're going to flip this over. And we are going to do an example on the back. Okay. You really only need the bottom half of your thing or the top half. It's really up to you. But here's what we're going to be writing. Mr. Zach drank 4 Red Bulls last week. The week before he drank 10 Monsters. How many energy drinks did Mr. Zach drink? And underneath that, we're going to draw a 3 chart where we do claim, evidence, reason. I do need you to let me know when yours looks like mine, because I did just give you a lot to write. Okay. Zach would get fired, right? No, I would never let that happen. Probably. Okay. So we know our claim is our answer sentence. Can we write our answer sentence yet? What do you guys think? Do we have an answer yet? No. Our evidence is the math. Do we know what math to do yet? Nope. So in math, we actually start with reason, which is listing all of our information. So what information do we have out of our story problem? So do we need the whole sentence, or what is the piece that we need? 4 Red Bulls last week. So we're going to put a box around that. And then we're going to write it. 4 Red Bulls. So we know he drank 4 Red Bulls. Maybe. Cedro? Okay, let's keep going. The week before, he drank 10 Monsters. Is there information we need in that one, Jorge? Jorge? One sec. Give someone else a chance. Jorge, do you know what information we need from that sentence? Let me read it to you again. The week before, he drank 10 monsters. What information do I need, Jorge? I need what information, Jorge? 10 monsters. So go ahead. We're going to put a box around that and then write it down here. So here's our question. How many energy drinks did Mr. Zach drink? So if we look over here, we're going to look for our keywords. Who can tell me what keyword did we just use? Did we use any of these keywords?
Yeah.
Which one, Lule? How much? So we know if it's how much, it's plus. So we're going to write how many, and we know that that's plus. And we're going to underline how many, because that's telling us, oh, sorry guys, I moved everything. I think I'm just going to scroll out.
Oh, I thought we were just
There we go. We're just taking notes right now. So you just need your foldable from yesterday. Okay. So we now have our information. So now we can do the E, which is the math. We know that we are adding. Who can tell me? Okay. Evidence we know is showing the math. So what is the math, Lule, that we have to do? Perfect. So 10 plus 4. What is it, honey? It's 14. We're on the back. Yep, I'm going to give this to you, okay? Okay. So if this is our, and now we're writing our claim statements.
Is the floor clean?
Yes, the floor is clean.
Okay, good.
I don't
want to have the spider on my blanket now.
Lule was very sweet about helping us clean yesterday, her and Brandon. So what's our claim sentence?
What period? 6.
Mr. Zach did what? No, Mr. Zach drank
a Red Bull.
14 what? No.
Can I have this?
Please teach. And then I will talk to you.
But I'm TA in here.
So you would write our answer sentence is Mr. Zach drank 14 energy drinks. Okay. Okay, like I said, that problem took us about, we'll say, 3 to 5 minutes. There is a lot that this is a very simple story problem, so I'm sure you're like, Miss Carlson, it's silly to do all these steps. But I will tell you, even when Miss Carlson took math in college, I still did this because it made doing story problems so much easier for me. because it laid everything out for me. Okay?
Really?
This is a skill that will help you from now until eternity. As a matter of fact, I will tell you, I did this about 2 weeks ago when I was adding up and trying to figure out how much I was going to be spending on flooring. Because I had to figure out how much flooring I needed for each room. I needed to find out square footage and prices and then price check everything. And so I had a setup just like this for putting wood floors into my house.
Wooden floor?
I am 43 years old and I am still using the same thing that I teach you. There are some things in math that are super important. This is one of those things. You may have a calculator, but if you don't know what you have to plug into the calculator, it's not going to help you. You have to be able to think through a math story problem. If there's nothing else you learn from me this year, I want it to be how to solve and think through a story problem. I want you to learn other things in ELA. But if you learn one thing from me in math, it's going to be how to lay out a story problem. Okay? Any questions about math and story?